You've seen the term ATS-friendly everywhere, and it's usually framed by this big scary system that you have to beat. But here's the truth. An applicant tracking system, it's just a database. It doesn't reject you because it hates your fonts. It passes your resume. That just means it converts your CV into plain text so that a recruiter can search it. If your key skills are inside the graphics or a weird text box, the system doesn't see a strong candidate. It literally sees nothing, just a blank page. So our goal here isn't to outsmart the system, it's simply to be readable. Use standard headings, keep your layout clean, and match the keywords naturally. If the job description says agile methodology, use that exact phrase. But here's where most people get it wrong. They focus on keywords and they're forgetting the impact. The system helps you get found. But hiring managers, they're the ones deciding if you're worth interviewing, and they're looking for the measurable results. An ATS-friendly resume, it isn't a trick. It's a clear, structured document that a machine can read and a human can't ignore. If you're overcomplicating this, you're slowing yourself down. Just use a format that works and make your value obvious. If you've got questions about how this actually works, drop them in the comments.